Hi guys! Today, I am going to drive the M train. It's so dark outside.
Transfer is available to the B44 Select Bus Service.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Watch me stop the train like a pro.
This is Laura Street.
Attention everyone, there are 150 accessible subway stations. Please check the info for real-time elevator status at your station.
Washington Avenue.
Stand clear of the
We're super close to these buildings.
Now arriving. Please stand and wait.
That's not safe.
This is Myrtle Avenue. What? This is a Queensbound Avenue.
Crossing Myrtle Station.
I don't need that light anymore.
Train is now arriving. Please stand away from the platform.
This is a Middle Village Metropolitan Avenue bound and local train. The next stop is Fresh Pond Road.
Arriving. Fresh Pond Road.
Attention.
Maybe this thing should be 10 cars long.
This is an accessible station. The ramp is at the front of the platform.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.
Bye, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe.